Alright guys, we're back with another technical video. Today I'll be going through your question, answering it, and hopefully you find your solution that you need. Guys, remember to stay just a little bit crazy like me, and hopefully you get to that resolution. Now, let's continue on to the video. And that's it guys. I hope we've gone through the question and found that solution you're looking for. And look, if we did, please hit subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And until the next time you need technical help, I hope you have a good one. Cheers.